windows down, trying just to drown it out. Oh, the silence way too loud.
Hi friends, so we are in IKEA right now and I forgot to bring an SD card for my camera, so you're gonna see phone quality footages.
Hold up, now do what you do, get loud, go ahead, get loose, get down to business, tell everyone, nothing's off limits, you can have anything you want.
Hi guys, it's me. I mean, who else would you be seeing? Anyway, as I said, I was moving out and here are my boxes of clothes and they're a lot and I still have like boxes inside to bring. So that's the thing that I'm doing currently. And later on, Shunji's gonna be arriving. So I'm just waiting for him, bring the car, and we'll drive to go to Kyoto.
Can we get over it? Should we just keep this up?
Hello! Don't look at the camera, look at the road. This is Shunji again, and he's driving me to Kyoto, and it's almost 3 hours. 2 hours and 46 minutes drive.
Yeah.
So we don't know what to do, but we're looking for a restaurant to eat at.
Around, baby, we're holding on to what we used to feel, wondering if it was even real. Can we ever work this out?
We are in Kaiten Sushi. So now we're gonna eat hirogohan because it's lunchtime.
It's gonna be okay. Fighting with your head, I can hear it in bed. You're trying to keep me awake. Can I be honest? Just let me be honest. Yeah.
Ite nani?
It's made it time of arrival.
Wow!
Hi everyone! Not anymore.
Because of me?
When singing happy song.
You're not happy.
Only when singing happy song.
Happy, happy, happy. Happy, 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 happy. Look there.
So okay, we're gonna set up Akiko's room here. In this place, maybe 300 yen per hour.
Per hour? And this is my wall. This one. It's a lot. お疲れ様です。ありがとうございます。
You know we party?
We party?
Yeah, we party.
What's that?
Like we can go game.
Ah, I know.
There's a mini game like this.
Ah, bringing stuff. Mama, wait, I will. 2, 1. Hello everyone and welcome to my new apartment. Okay, so right now I just arrived from Kobe and oh wait mommy, and as you can see I have so many things to unpack. Here are my things from the bed and I still have to unpack them, and here is my delivery from IKEA. So I'm guessing this is my table, the Lurberg shelf, and the rest. And then my cabinet, inside are my other things. And as usual, just the kitchen. So we have that. Anyway, I also brought my canvas because I'm gonna paint here. Yes. And then my shelf, which I brought from Kobe. And then, yeah, and then the chair that I got from someone in Kyoto. Thank you so much. And an electric fan, which I will be needing maybe in 6 months. So anyway, I have to unpack these things, and so yeah, that's it. So my first 1 week here in the apartment, my mom's gonna stay with me because I still need my mommy. Mommy, say hi. Hello. I will now open my IKEA things after I finish this stuff, so hold on a second. So now that that's done, I have all of my closets under the bed, but now I'm going to open my IKEA, whichever way you say it. It's not stable here, but okay. My IKEA stuff. But firstly, this is from Amazon. I think this is a vacuum, but I'm really not sure what I ordered, so we'll just see. Wow! Wow, my lamp! I ordered the thinnest one because my room is super small, so ta-da! Ta-da! Ah! This wireless vacuum. Oh! I ordered a white vacuum. Now we're moving to IKEA. So this one. Oh. Wow. This is my trolley. This is called the Rashalt from IKEA. And chopping board.
There's something about you, immersed inside my mind. Maybe it's a sign, 'cause it's alright.
And now we're going to build my tables and my shelves and this one and put my stuff in it. You know what? I'll just call IKEA. I don't know how to do this. Okay, first step. Anyway, this is the table, which I'm gonna unbox later, but I'm afraid I might not be able to show you because this video, number one, might be too long, and number two, I think it'll be better if you guys just see the end product. So, I'll see you guys in a while. Alright, so far I've cleaned up this space, my things under my bed, my carpet over there, which I'm gonna set up later. Here's my vacuum, which is working so well. It's wireless. My vase, and then my I should put this here, and look at this. Ta-da! So it's Lee Min-ho, and it's my baby, and this is the artificial plant, which I told you earlier, and this is still kind of messy, but I'm gonna fix this. And then more IKEA stuff, and I'm gonna show this to you later on. So these are jars, and this is like the container of it. So these are like for my condiments, my salt, pepper. This one is for my net for when I'm doing the laundry. Some scissors, extension cords from IKEA. This is another curtain, which is supposed to be the white one inside, but we forgot to buy hooks, so we're gonna buy hooks tomorrow. Some boxes for the shelf earlier. So 2 boxes and 2 filing folders, it should be. And then this is my bed sheet. So it's this color. It's really cute. So it's gonna cover up my sheets also, and 2 pillows. For my bathroom, I also have like this cover for my pillows. So yeah, it's actually going quite well so far. And I cannot stop loving this. Okay, that's all. Oh yeah, it's done, guys. I mean, it's not super done, but yeah, you know. And here's my lamp. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. Ta-da!
I know it's hard to find. Listen, it's a sign, 'cause it's
I'll just lift it up, kick this away. And now we have my table. All that's left to do is to put these legs, and I'll see you guys when I finish my room. Bye-bye. Hello everyone, so it's the next morning and I have almost finished moving into this new apartment, and yeah, so I've built most of my stuff, which I'm gonna show you later on. But right now it's the morning, so I forgot that I had a test that I had to do. It is the Japanese language placement test, which I have to do for them to place us on what level of Japanese we're on. So yeah, that's a thing. I'm just logging on my computer right now, and then later I'm going to go to the grocery store along with our hardware store to get some of my other stuff, like I don't know, extension cords and whatnot. So I'll see you guys after I do my placement test. I'm riding my bike and I'm in front of the mall that I visited yesterday. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you that I got this rice cooker, which is from Muji, and he's never really used it. He sold it to me for 1,000 yen, so I think that's a really good deal. And now I'm going back to my house using my lovely bicycle, which I brought from Kobe. So today I am just finishing work. It's currently it's so noisy. I'm so sorry. Just a minute. Let's pause my music. Later on I'm gonna check out at like 30 minutes earlier because I'm gonna meet a friend, and you guys know him. His name is Kohdai, and we've been dreading for tapioca or milk tea for a very long time now. So we've decided that we would go to that milk tea shop today, and we're also going to discuss like the trip that we're planning along with the Kyoto gangster squad, the people who went to USJ with me. And if you haven't watched a USJ vlog, just click it on the link above. I don't know which way. And so I'm just again finishing my work, and then I'll video again once I get to the shop. So I'll see you guys later. I'm almost done. I will just have to do some final changes and then I'll check out. And then I'll be going out to the tapioca place because I really need a tapioca right now. And I know I feel fat and I'm working out, but I just want the tapioca, okay? I haven't had like a milk tea in like forever since I went here to Japan, which is like 2 years ago or something. So yeah, I'm excited to finally drink milk tea. Okay, bye guys. Wait, say hi. Yeah. Introduce
Hi.
yourself again.
Kohdai.
And we went to this milk tea place near my house. Is it near your house?
Yeah.
Oh, he rode the bike and I just walked.